Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your storefront name. You might have created your storefront way back when you started Amazon selling and you weren't quite sure what brand that you're going to sell from. So you just create, a weird store name or basically a store name that you've done in the past. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to change that. My name is Rick Wong, an Amazon seller and founder of SellerMetrics, an Amazon PPC agency. And you're interested in content such as this, where we show tips, tricks, and hacks on anything related to Amazon, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, so you see a listing right here. A lot of listings, they'll have on sold by. A lot of time doesn't really correlate with that actual brand name, right? Or maybe you want to add extra information on the actual sold by or the storefront by its marketplace, right? To erase any confusion. So a lot of times it will show up as like sold by, and you want to change the name here, or basically when you click on the sold by, the actual storefront name right here, you want to change the name. So that's easily done. So all you have to do is go to, let's go to my Seller Central first. And then all you have to do is click here, account info. And under account info, you're going to do your seller profile right here. And then you'll just change the display name. You can also change your storefront link as well. So let's just say, my brand name is Sully. And then let's say underscore MX. To kind of say it's a Mexico marketplace, and I could invalid store name. It could be like the actual name is not available as well, so that could also produce an error. So that I changed my storefront there, and then if I want to change my United States storefront, same thing. So I can do like say bracket. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, that's available there. Yeah, so there we go. So I changed it to my brand and then bracket US. And you could basically change the name of your storefront as well. So let's just say I would do this underscore US, and that can be applied, and my storefront URL is updated. There we go. So I think it does help a little bit in terms of trust from the buyer. It actually makes sense that if you sold by name on your listing right here matches your brand name, so that just builds a little bit of trust right there. So I can see this this particular listing, it's sold by matches the brand name. It does build a little bit of trust with the buyers nowadays. Buyers are very smart in terms of like the Amazon ecosystem. So if you can see my listing, I'm not sure it will immediately take effect, but if I refresh this button right here, you can see Sully USA and then my listing. Okay, you can see now that the new sold by name is Sully bracket US and close bracket. So basically that's how it's done. Okay, so I hope that little tip will help your Amazon selling and Amazon listing. And if you're an Amazon seller and want to grow your business via Amazon PPC, feel free to book a discovery call with me on the link below. Happy to talk to sellers big and small. And until the next video drop, happy selling.